In this video, I'll show you guys how to activate your AT&T Prepaid SIM card online. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe and like and watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. First thing you want to do is just go to AT&T Prepaid Activation Online. Just search it up on Google. And once you're here, just click on the first link. And once you're here, it'll see all these stuff that you can activate. So scroll all the way down to see get started. Once you're here, it's going to ask you how many lines. So for me, just click on 1. Once you're here, all you have to do is just put your SIM number or ICC ID. If you don't know what that is, it's basically the most numbers on your card, like the 20 digit. It usually is the most number card on your card. So just type that in and just click on and just find your IMEI number and put it in. And then just all you have to do is just enter your zip code. Once that, just click continue and you're all done. If this video helped, be sure to subscribe.